Here are 10 tips to help you make money with Uber Eats. Optimize your availability. Be available during peak delivery hours to maximize your earning potential. This often includes lunch and dinner rushes and weekends. Choose high-demand areas. Familiarize yourself with busy areas in your city where there is a high demand for food delivery. Focus your efforts in those areas to increase order frequency. Maintain a positive rating. Provide excellent customer service. Deliver orders promptly and be courteous to customers. Positive ratings can lead to more orders and higher earnings. Consider using a fuel-efficient vehicle to reduce expenses and maximize profits. This way, you can minimize the impact of fuel costs on your earnings. Take advantage of surge pricing periods. This can significantly increase your earnings for each delivery during those times. Be efficient with routes. Optimize your delivery routes to minimize travel time and maximize the number of orders you can complete in a given period. Complete boosted or quest orders. Uber Eats often offers incentives like boosted or quest orders that provide extra earnings. Keep an eye out for these opportunities and prioritize them. Offer excellent customer service. Communicate with customers promptly, follow any special instructions, and handle any issues professionally. This can lead to higher tips and repeat business. Consider signing up for multiple food delivery platforms to increase your earning potential. This way, you can have more order options and flexibility. Stay informed about promotions. Keep an eye on Uber Eats promotional offers and bonuses. These can provide additional earnings, especially during special events or holidays. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and watch another video. Thanks for watching.